Yeah, welcome back to the Bobcat Forever YouTube channel. On this channel we shoot a little bit of everything, and today we're going to shoot some 22 long rifles through this 1/4 inch Masonite, which really isn't quite 1/4 inch, but we have guns with barrel length from 3 inches to 6.5 inches to see if it really makes any difference how far they go through the Masonite. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Well, today I'm going to be shooting a bunch of 22 long rifle handguns, starting with a 3 inch barrel, Phoenix Arms gun, up through a 6.5 inch barrel with the Heritage Rough Rider, and going to see how they penetrate some 1/4 inch Masonite, which really isn't 1/4 inch. Even though it's sold as 1/4 inch, it's a bit less than that. And see if the barrel length really makes any difference. Well, let's see how far that went. Well, it went through 7 pieces, stopped on 8, and we got the bullet. So we'll see what the next gun does. Next we'll shoot the Walther P22. Very nice gun. I think it's about a 3.5 inch barrel. I will put the details in the video. Now, we'll see what it went through. Well, that went through number 8 and stopped on number 9. So it went 1 piece further than the Phoenix Arms gun. Well, that was a bad shot. I mean, how could you miss from as close as I am? Well, let's take a look. Now that one also made it through number 8. And most of the way through number 9, and the bullet is actually stuck in number 9. So it went a hair further than the previous gun. Now, next we'll be shooting the Ruger Mark III. At the Masonite boards. We've been using CCI Mini Mag 1235 feet per second round nose ammo for all these shots. So I've replaced the front 9 boards and we'll do it again. Now, let's take a look. Well, I went through number 8, through number 9, and the bullet is actually stuck in the back of number 9. So it didn't go any further than the ATI Firefly. Okay, the Heritage Rough Rider. Yeah, we'll see how far that went. Yeah, it looks like barrel length isn't everything, because the Rough Rider went through number 7 and banged into number 8, made it about halfway through. So that was by far the longest barrel, but it didn't go as far as a couple of the other guns. Kind of interesting. And there is the piece of ammo. Well, just for comparison's sake, I'm going to put one round through the Ruger 1022 and see how far it goes into the Masonite. Well, we'll see. I was so crazy close with that gun that with the scope I couldn't even really see where I was shooting. But anyhow, yeah, I went through number 10 and that was it. Stopped on number 11. So actually, out of the rifle, didn't really go much further. And there is the round again. So I managed to catch all 6 rounds. A little surprised that the rifle didn't go quite a bit further into this Masonite. But it is what it is.